Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we have met online after long time and will continue to meet online for some time. Today I will discuss with you Standard 8 chapter 1, which is rational numbers. In the previous class, we have learned about rational numbers, their properties and their representation on the number line. We have also learned about the conversion of rational numbers and decimals and vice versa. In this chapter, we will begin with quick recall of what we have learned earlier. Topics like finding a rational number between two rational numbers and higher logic word problem are few which we will discuss in detail. First, we will recall some of the numbers like natural number. Students, first we will understand what natural number. Natural number. We will see the definition of the natural number. Counting number is called natural number. As for example, one, two, three, 4 till infinity. Counting number is called natural number. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Like 5 is a what? 5 is a natural number. 6 is what? 6 is also a natural number. In all the positive number is called natural number, what we are counting. Always we started the counting from 1. Okay, one more thing you should remember, the set of natural number is denoted by capital N. Capital N denoted the what? Natural number. Students, what is the natural number? Counting number is called natural number. As for example, 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till infinity. All these numbers are natural number. The set of natural number is denoted by capital N. Now, see the definition of whole number we will understand. So what is the whole number? The natural numbers along with 0 are called whole number. As for example, whole number can start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Mean the natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. As for example, we can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinity. Here 1 to infinity are what? These are natural number. These are natural numbers. If we include here 0, then it will become what? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. It means from here by this two definition, the natural number and whole number, what we understood, all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural number. Why? Because in natural number 0 does not exist. Now see, the set of whole numbers is denoted by W. Now we will see the definition of integers. Now we will see the definition of integers. What is integers? All negative and positive all negative and positive numbers including 0 are called integers. All negative and positive numbers including 0 are called integers. Okay, as for example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Positive infinity, and in this side negative till negative infinity. Mean all the negative numbers, positive numbers including 0 are called integers. If we will see the example, -4 is what? -4 is an integer. But which type of integer? These are negative integer. If we will see -4, -3, -2, -1, so these are what? These are negative integer. These are negative integers. And this positive, this left side of the 0 are what? These are positive integers. Positive integers. It means negative numbers are called negative integers, and positive numbers are called positive integers. 0, it is neither positive nor negative. Mean 0 is neither positive nor negative. But all the negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 till -infinity, all are negative integers. And all the positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till positive infinity, all are positive integers. If we will draw a number line, suppose like this, we have drawn a number line. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3 till infinity, and this is -1, this is -2, this is -3 till negative infinity. Mean these are what? These are negative integer, negative integers, and these are positive integers. These are positive integers. Now the set of integers, we will see the set of integers is denoted by capital Z. Capital Z. The set of integers is denoted by capital Z. Now we will understand the definition of rational number. A number which can be expressed in the form in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0 is called rational numbers. As for example, As for example, 2 by 7, 4 by 5, minus 3 by 8, 2, minus 4, 0 and minus 1 by 3. All are rational numbers. Now, what is the definition of the rational number? A number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0 is called rational number. It means rational number will be in the form of P upon Q. We have to see. You can see in the example. Over here I am taking 2 upon 7. So 2 upon 7 is in the form of P upon Q. Here P equal to 2 and Q equal to 7. Both 2 and 7 are positive. So it is called also positive rational numbers. Over here also 4 and 5 both are positive and it is in the form of P upon Q. So it is also called as positive rational number. In this example, minus 3 by 8. In the numerator, the value of P is what? Negative, and value of Q is what? Positive. Mean if one of the value from P and Q will be negative, then that rational number will be negative rational number. If both will be in the same sign, the numerator and denominator both will be in the same sign, then that will be positive integer. If both will be opposite sign, numerator and denominator, it means the value of P and Q are opposite, then they will be negative integers. And we should remember it will be in the form of P upon Q. See the example 2. 2 is also in the form of P by Q. Why? Because we can write in the denominator of 2 is what? 1. So this is also in the form of P upon Q. 0, if you will see the 0, so in the denominator of 0 also we can write 1. So it is also in the form of P upon Q. So it will be also a rational number. But if you will write 2 by 0, so this will not be a rational number. Why? At the place of the denominator or at the place of Q, you can't take 0 because it is Q does not equal to 0. if you will take in the denominator 0, so 2 by 0, it will become undefined. It will become undefined. 3 by 0, it is also what? Undefined. So students, you should remember, you can't take 0 in the denominator of a rational number. Now, so students, from these 4 definitions I have raised on the conclusion, what we understood, I want to summarize in this diagram. Means all the natural number, if we will see the diagram, then we can understand all the natural numbers are whole numbers, all the whole numbers are integers, all the integers are rational number. It means every natural numbers is rational number, every whole numbers is rational numbers, every integers is also rational number, but every rational number will not be integers, every integers will not be whole numbers, every whole numbers will not be natural number. Now one more thing, students, we will understand how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Between two rational numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. So, if suppose we have a question of this type, find 5 rational numbers between, first question, 1 by 3 and 5 by 6. This type of question, if will come, we have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 5 by 6. First of all, we will see the denominator of these two rational numbers. Here in the denominator 3 and over here in the denominator 6. Okay, first of all, we will equalize the denominator. So how we can equalize the denominator? We will take this 1 by 3 over here and we will take this one denominator. In this denominator is what? 6. So we will multiply its numerator and denominator by 6. And we will write this 5 by 6. And we will take this one denominator, which is what? 3. And we will multiply its numerator and denominator. Overall, what you should remember, if you want to equalize the denominator, so you will take the denominator of this rational number and you will multiply this numerator and denominator, and you will take this denominator and you will multiply this numerator and denominator, then you will get equal denominator of rational number. Like 1 multiplies 6, 6 upon 3 6 are 18 and 5 3s are 15 upon 6 3s are 18. Now here you can see denominators are equal already. We have to find how many rational number? 5 rational number. So we will take one number ahead of 5. Ahead of 5 is what? 6. And we will multiply this rational number, numerator and denominator, by 6. And this one rational number also by 6. Like 6 by 18, this will be multiplied by 6. This one also multiplied by 6. And 15 by 18, we will multiply this one by 6 and this one also by 6. 6 6 are what? 6 6 are 36 upon 18 6 are 108 and 15 6 are 90 upon 18 6 are 108. So you can see here denominators are equal but numerators are not equal, and between the numerator there are lots of rational number, but we have to write only 5 rational number. After the 36, what number will come? 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So we will take any of the five rational numbers between 36 and 90, and we will write the 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 5 by 6 are 37 by 108, 38 by 108, 39 by 108, 40 by 108 and 41 by 108. Then students, here 1 by 3 and 5 by 6. So what we will do first? We will equalize the denominator. How? We will take the denominator of this rational number. This is 6, and we will multiply. We have multiplied its numerator and denominator by 6. Like 1 by 3, it has 1 multiplied by 6 and 3 also multiplied by 6. This is 5 by 6. I have taken this one denominator, which is 3, and multiplied its numerator and denominator by 3. After multiplying 1 by 6, we have got 6. 3 by 6, we have got 18. 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18 we have got. Now, after equalizing the denominator, if we have to find 5 rational number between 2 rational number, then we will take 6. If we have to find 3 rational number between 2 rational number, then we will take 4 and we will multiply its numerator and denominator. Mean 1, how many we have to find? From that, 1 ahead number you will take. Here we have to find 5 rational number, so we will take 6 and we will multiply its numerator and denominator by 6. So 6, 6, numerator and denominator both have been multiplied. Over here also we have multiplied numerator and denominator by 6. 6 6 are 36 we have got, 18 6 are 108, 15 6 are 90 and 18 6 are 108. Now we have to see between the numerator 36 and 90. We have lots of rational numbers, but we have to write only and only 5 rational number between 36 and 90. So I have taken 37 by 108, 38 by 108, 39 by 108, 40 by 108 and 41 by 108. Students, you will try to solve all these questions. These are the 4 questions I have given. You have to find 5 rational numbers between them. You will try to solve. Children, I hope you have understood this video lecture. I have given these some of the questions. You will try to solve. I will meet with you in the next video lecture with more examples. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.